Publishing your Shopify store is an essential step to make your store live for customers to access. Here's how to publish your Shopify store. Complete store setup. Before publishing, ensure your store is ready. Add products. Go to Products, All Products and add your items. Design your store. Customize your store's theme by going to Online Store, Themes. Choose and personalize your theme. Set up payment options. Go to Settings, Payments and connect your payment gateway. Shipping settings. Set up your shipping methods under Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Choose a plan. To publish your store, you need a paid Shopify plan. Go to Settings, Plan and select a plan. Enter your billing information and confirm your plan selection. Remove password protection. By default, Shopify stores are password protected. To make your store public, go to Online Store, Preferences. Scroll down to Password Protection and disable the password. Click Save. Preview and launch. Once everything is set up, preview your store to ensure everything looks good. When ready, your store will be live and accessible to customers.